So 6 months ago I decided to start learning Unity because I think it makes me smarter and I get my first. But it doesn't work because I lose my interest faster than. Because when I download Unity engine for the first time, that was so horrible, but still I don't give up and start making games. And I create a basic game which looking kind of boring, but still I don't know why I share that game with all my friends, and after 2 weeks I realized, well, making game is kind of hard. Well, making game is not my work. So I gave up on my game development career and just uninstall Unity. But after some weeks, I was just wondering YouTube, and here's what I found.
Milk, kids.
So I decided to start game development again and start a game development YouTube channel. Although I know I am an idiot. So the first game which I created in Unity is a basic 2D game. So for that I use this Acid Pixel Adventure. So click on new project and choose 2D because we're gonna make a 2D game, and then name your project whatever you want. I'm gonna name it 2D game. And now it's time to open a project. So our project is finally open, and we have to make a character first of all. So just click on square because squares are cool. So after copying the line-to-line code of this YouTuber tutorials, finally our game is ready. So the second game which I created was Flappy Bird, but this time I decided to understand the code, that how it works and why it works. But the only thing which I hate in coding is while making this game I really understand code for the first time, and also use Unity particle system and post processing for the first time. And this is how our game look like.
Hey, but you said this is a Flappy Bird game.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I don't make any 3D game yet. So the third game which I made was a car racing game, and while making it, I learned about particle system in depth and also post processing in 3D game for the first time, and also how gravity or physics work in 3D games. Although this is not a best 3D game I made yet, but I like it because it was my first 3D game and also a car game. So for the fourth game I was decided to make a 3D RPG game because that gonna kill somewhere, and also make my first 3D character in Blender completely myself. Okay, don't be shocked. I watched video of this guy to make a character in Blender. And also learn how rigging works. Also rigging is very difficult for me, maybe because I tried it for the first time. But I don't think so that it's really worked perfect. And also add some texture to the character. I also learn level designing like skyboxes, trees, houses, water, 3D sounds, terrain, grass, rocks, and much more. Also the second part of this video is coming soon. So the last game which I created was a multiplayer game. But here's the problem. I don't know how to make a multiplayer game. After searching courses online, I finally find a course on Udemy which is probably gonna free. After that I make a map completely myself using the grid boxes which you can download from the Unity asset store. The link is in the description below. So now it's time to create networking for our game, network system. I also learn how to add timer, leaderboard, skill system, new map, pause menu, and main menu info. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Hit that like button if you enjoy the video, hit that subscribe button, it's helped me a lot. Suggest me new game ideas in the comment section, and yeah,